All right, as Donald Trump's civil fraud trial resumes in New York this morning, prosecutors in Trump's federal election subversion case are urging a D.C. appeals court to uphold a gag order against the former president. At the same time, because there are so many cases, Fulton County prosecutors are asking a judge there to seal discovery materials in the Georgia election subversion case against Donald Trump. Today's emergency hearing comes after video depositions from some of Trump's former co-defendants were leaked. All of them, all four you see on the screen there, have taken plea deals. Joining us now to discuss all this, former Assistant Special Watergate Prosecutor Nick Ackerman. He's also the former Assistant U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York. You look at some of what came out, and of course, it's riveting to the public because it is information that it's normally kept secret until it comes out in trial.
Highly probative.
Who benefits from
the person
leaking
that benefits the most from all this is Donald Trump.
Why?
Because it really threatens these witnesses. It puts out the fact that three of these four witnesses have direct information on Donald Trump that is highly incriminating and is going to be part of what is likely to be a guilty verdict in that Georgia RICO case. So you've got these people out there, these wild, wacko, MAGA crazies, that will take this upon themselves to try and do something. That's what the concern is. You had this happen in Cincinnati after the search warrant that was executed at Donald Trump's estate. And what happened? Some guy goes to Cincinnati to try and kill an FBI agent. Yeah. This is extremely dangerous.
Can I ask you what the protections are for the witnesses? Because Georgia do they have witness protection?
I don't think so. I mean, that's the problem. First of all, it's very expensive.
Right.
Look at Mitt Romney has to spend $5,000 a day just on his own personal protection. I had at one time 5 witnesses in the federal witness protection program. This is a pretty all 24-hour type of job 7 days a week to protect people. Look what happened to Cassidy Hutchinson after she testified before the January 6th committee. So
it's madness that we are going through this in this country because this is the right of the witnesses and it's your civic duty. They're doing what they are supposed to do by law and yet they're being threatened. I do want to ask you, you've had a personal experience with this. Tell me what happened. You were on a case that had to do with the mob. What happened to you?
Well, I basically wound up prosecuting probably 2 of the most visible mob bosses in the country. Russell Bufalino, who was played by Joe Pesci in the Irishman, and Funzi Thierry, who was played by Marlon Brando in The Godfather. And I'm still alive. But you never know what's going to happen. Threats made to prosecutors have to be taken seriously. And there's a big difference between the mafia now and Donald Trump, who is really kind of the boss of his organization, which is charged in that RICO case. At least with the mafia, the FBI made it pretty clear to the mafia bosses, if you go after any of our agents, any of our prosecutors, you're going to have problems. But that's not the case.
But you had to try to evade them yourself, and it's terrifying for anyone as a prosecutor, but certainly as a witness not used to going through all this. Thank you so much, Nick Ackerman. That was really interesting. I appreciate you coming on.
Thank you.